Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is If You Give a Pig a Pancake. I'm so excited to be reading this story today while using our Say and Play mini objects. If you have yours, why don't you go ahead and get them out and we'll get started. If you give a pig a pancake. If you give a pig a pancake, she'll want some syrup to go with it. You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably get all sticky, so she'll want to take a bath. She'll ask you for some bubbles. When you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask you for a toy. You'll have to find your rubber duck. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born. She might feel homesick and want to visit her family. She'll want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. Then she'll look under your bed. When she's under the bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on. She'll probably need something special to wear with them. When she's all dressed, she'll ask for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece, and she'll start dancing. Then she'll want you to take her picture, so you'll have to get your camera. When she sees the picture, she'll ask you to take more. Then she'll want to send one to each of her friends. You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps, and take her to the mailbox. On the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard. She'll want to build a tree house. So you'll have to get her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. When the tree house is finished, she'll want to decorate it. She'll ask for wallpaper and glue. When she hangs the wallpaper, she'll get all sticky. Feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably ask you for some, and chances are, if she asks you for some syrup, she'll want a pancake to go with it. Thank you so much for joining me today as we were reading If You Give a Pig a Pancake. I loved matching up our Say and Play mini objects to each of the different pages in this book. If you enjoyed seeing all the fun mini objects for this story kit, you can go on to speechandsmile.com to order your very own story kit. And if you enjoyed this video, why don't you go ahead and like it, as well as subscribe to our channel. And until next time, make it a great day.